Hello friends, welcome to our channel at Our Thoughts. In this video from Unit 3 poem from the 10th standard syllabus we are seeing I am every woman. In this, read the lines and answer the question part we are going to see. First one, what does the word summer mean here? Summer here means development. How does she take life? She takes life optimistically. What does she mean by spring will come again? By the phrase spring will come again, the poet means that the future will be better. Second question, the A part, what is she strong about? She is strong about her faith and belief. How does she deal with the adversities in life? She is strong in her faith and belief and is determined while dealing with the adversities in life. Third question, A part, is she complaining about the problems of life? No, she is not complaining about the problems of life. B, pick out the words that show her grit. The words that show her grit are strong and firm. Fourth, A, what do the words thaw and saw mean here? Thaw and saw means that she will reduce you to nothing. What is the tone of the author? The tone of the poetess or the author is a caution about careful intervention. Fifth A part, describe today's woman according to the poet. Today's woman is a woman born with a determination, ready to take risk in life and strong in her faith and belief. How should a woman be treated? A woman should be treated with love and respect. Read the following lines and identify the figure of speech. First one, a woman is beauty innate, a symbol of power and strength. She puts her life at stake. She is real, she is not fake. In this, the figure of speech is metaphor. Now the questions. Pick out the rhyming words from the above lines. The rhyming words are stake and fake. Add another word that rhymes with it. Innate, checkmate, strength, length, stake, spake, fake, make. Give the rhyme scheme for the above lines. The rhyme scheme for the above line is A, B, C, C. Second, she is a lioness, don't mess with her. She will not spare you if you are a prankster. Here the figure of speech is again metaphor. Now the questions, pick out a line that has a metaphor in it. She is a lioness. Give your example of metaphor to describe the qualities of a woman. She is a bubbly personality. She is a roller coaster of emotions. She is a dynamite. She is a rock. Third question, she is strong in her faith, firm in her belief. Here the figure of speech in this line is alliteration. Now the questions, pick out the alliterated words from the above. Faith, firm is the alliterated words in the given line. Now second question, pick out other alliterated words from the poem. The other alliterated words from the poem are symbol, strength, summer, see and saw, self-respect. Fill in with a word in each blanks to complete the summary of the poem. Use the help box given below. Every woman is beautiful, innate. She is the symbol of power and strength. She is prone to put her life at risk. Every woman is true in expressing her love and she is never fake. She is very optimistic in her approach even at times of adversity. She finds a ray of hope and she continues to care for her dignified ones. She is the woman and she has no fear. She is forceful in her faith and belief. She is never a quitter and she is persistent. She is ferocious like a lioness. It's better for the pranksters to stay away from her. Never should one try to bring disgrace to her pride and self respect, for she knows how to thaw and saw then. She is today's woman. It is healthier to love her, respect her, and to keep her near. Answer the following paragraph in about 80 to 100 words. I'm sorry, how are today's women portrayed by the poet? I'm not sure about the author name, so I'm not about pronunciation. Sorry for that. RAKHINARIANISHIRKE is an academician with a passion for writing poems as a medium of self-expression. This poem talks about the multifaceted nature of woman. A woman is born beautiful, and beauty is an, not am, inborn trait. She is a symbol of supremacy and strength. She takes risk in her life, for she is real and always genuine. Today's women are empowered, brave, strong, and resolute. They are always ready to take up new ventures. They are persistent and work tirelessly to prove what they are capable of. Women have to be treated respectfully for the growth of a nation. As stated earlier, she is the symbol of strength as she is strong in her faith and beliefs. In spite of all the outbreaks, she cries and laments when in spite of all the outbreaks and cries and laments, she is strong in her hope and firm in her trust. She is a lioness, brave and daring. She is a disciplinarian and will not tolerate your pranks with her. She is a woman of today's smart and brave. Each time a woman stands up for herself, she stands up for all women. What qualities have made woman powerful? The woman is made powerful due to her multifaceted personality. Today's women are empowered, brave, strong, and resolute. They love to explore and venture into new horizons. Sorry for the spelling mistake. They are persistent and work tirelessly to prove what they are capable of. Her inner beauty, her supremacy, and strength makes her all powerful. She exhibits her power by showcasing her fearless nature. She is the symbol of strength as she is strong in her faith and beliefs. She is seen as all powerful because of her determined nature. She may sigh, cry, and moan, but is strong in her hope. But she is strong in her hope and firm in her trust. She is a lioness, brave and daring, and one dare not meddle with her. If anyone is a mischief maker, she will not spare them. The woman should be feared cautiously, since she would thaw or saw you for your deeds against her. A woman believes in being strong even when things seem to go wrong. Again, I repeat it. A woman believes in being strong even when things seems to go wrong. Okay friends, thank you for watching our video. Please do like, share, subscribe, comment below your views. Have a great day. Thank you for watching.